tries its best to buy American, but in some cases, it's harder than you think. Take shoes, for example. Each pair takes a beating in basic training, and on the battlefield, the action gets even more intense. And that's why the American shoe company New Balance is stepping up to the plate and pitching an all-American shoe for new military recruits. Rob DeMartini is the CEO of New Balance and is my guest this morning. Thanks for being with us, Rob. So why was it important to New Balance to put a bid in right now and jump in the competition to design this shoe for our military men and women?
Well, we've understood the needs of the military for some time, and we've been working for over 5 years to build a product made in America that would meet all the needs of American servicemen and women.
Okay, so technically, I used to design shoes, so I actually love this topic. I love that it's aimed at really making it easier for military men and women to actually get the shoes. I think they have a $80 stipend right now to do so. If it's made 100% in the USA, that's a great thing. What else can you tell us about it? What's the outsole like? What kind of cool features will it have?
Well, this shoe has all the makings and all the ingredients of today's top running shoes, but it's also got some features that work specifically well for military service. It's got a gusseted tongue to keep everything out of the shoe. It's got a Vibram non-marking sole, and it's got all the technology that you'd find in the most expensive running shoes on the market today. On top of that, as you said, it's 100% made in the USA. That means every part, every component, every piece of this shoe is made and sourced from suppliers in the United States.
So when anyone designs a shoe, they do something here which is called a call out in the technical package. What I thought was so cool is on this drawing that we're looking at here, and it's too small for you to see, so you can actually go to our Facebook page, all the viewers at home, go there, and you can see where each part of the shoe was constructed and made right here in the United States, had all the cities labeled and called out, which I think is so appealing to Americans here who want to see more business made, and certainly when this is aimed at making the lives of our military much easier in terms of purchasing. Great move here, but you are not in a contract right now with the DOD, are you?
No, we're not, and we've been fighting this fight for 5 years to get the military to apply the Berry Law, the Berry Amendment, which has been on the books since 1933, to follow it in athletic shoes. We don't want an earmark. We don't want a specific contract. We're willing to compete and are even willing to supply some of the componentry you're seeing on that picture to our competitors. We just want American servicemen and women to get American-made product in athletic shoes, just like they do on everything else they wear.
You said something interesting there. You're willing to actually supply some of your pieces and components to a competitor. Wow, that is, I mean, we know how companies compete for better business, but to do it for our military is a real reach out. So, Rob, we want to thank you for being with us. New Balance is the shoe. Everyone can go to Facebook right now at Fox and Friends and actually tell us how much you like it. Thanks for being with us. Rob
Thanks,
DeMartini.
Elizabeth.